We're here today to show everyone how quick and easy it is to install natural stone pavers from Natural Paving USA. Whilst there are several installation methods that can be used to install natural stone, we would recommend installing them on a stabilized sand bed. The main benefit of using a stabilized sand bed is that it provides a rigid construction to support the paving. A rigid construction will prevent the paving slabs from moving and potentially avoids callback in the future to any possible warranty issues. Prior to starting, make sure you have the correct tools available on site that you will need to undertake the project. We are going to cover an area of approximately 205 square feet. So let's get this show on the road and show you how easy it really is. First of all, we need to ensure the site has been excavated to the proper depth. Then we prepare our minimum 4-inch base. Base construction will be dependent on factors such as existing ground conditions, intended use of the paved area, etc. Add aggregates and compact the area. We add the aggregates in 2-inch lifts. Repeat to achieve the 4 inches required. We suggest using ABC aggregate base with a little water for maximum strength and compaction. However, depending on your geographical location, the type of aggregate may vary. We suggest you consult your local aggregate supplier for recommendations. Next, install the 1-inch stabilized sand bed, a mix of concrete sand and Portland cement to a ratio of 6:1. Slightly stronger ratios of up to 4:1 may be used depending on site conditions. Use string levels to identify the 1-inch mark. Level the mixed sand and cement using a screeding bar with screed rails and spirit level. So once the base is prepared, we are ready to start laying the stone. What makes the installation process even easier is the fact that Natural Paving's flagstones come pre-packed and pre-cut into squares and rects and is gauged to 1 inch thick. This ensures that minimal leveling is required, unlike when using irregular native stone. Each pack has a prerequisite number of each size slabs in order to make installation easy and efficient and to create a contemporary random pattern. Here are a few installation tips. Start at a corner and work your way across the area. As natural stone is a natural product, the color can vary, and so if you have more than one pack for the project, you need to ensure you mix pieces from each pack to prevent any potential color batching. Also, when you order the stone, work out the square footage you require and add on an extra 10%. This 10% will allow for any cuts that may be needed and any issues that may have been caused during transportation. So once the paving is done, you need to grout the joints. We always suggest using Pave Tough jointing compound with all of Natural Paving's products. This really is the best option for the job. It's an easy-to-use brush-in sand, and you can use it come rain or shine, so you are always able to fully complete the install and don't have to wait for a dry day. The jointing compound is available in a gray or buff option. Please be sure to read the instructions on the tub before use. Before you pour the compound on, the paved area must be thoroughly wet and kept wet at all times. With the Pave Tough jointing compound, simply open the tub, cut the bag, and pour the compound out. Then brush it into the joints. We also recommend that you use a hose and flood the compound into the joints. Maintain the water throughout the process. Once all of the joints are filled, ensure that any excess compound on the surface of the paving is washed off. If not, the compound will set hard and be impossible to get off. The grout should set within approximately 24 hours and be ready to walk on. In colder climates, this may take a little longer. If you have any Pave Tough left, simply add water to the mix in the tub and replace the lid. This can be reused at a later date, so there is no waste. So that's the job complete now. If you want to clean the paving, you can use an acid-free cleaner, but please note you must never use acid. as this will damage and discolor natural stone. This installation process only took 3 hours to complete, from excavation, construction of the base, laying the paving, through to jointing the deck. For more information about the products, to request samples, brochures, or to make an inquiry, please contact Natural Paving USA at 888-240-8704 or visit www.naturalpavingusa.com. Thanks for watching.